Jim's watching some serious weather in Oklahoma tonight.
Can you even believe this?
No.
It is just mind-boggling, these tornado outbreaks and how significant they are. Another one happening at this moment in Oklahoma City. This was the scene within the last hour as storm chasers are following a very large wedge tornado on the ground doing damage. Look at that. Way too close to that, even for a storm chaser. That is very, very dangerous. But these storms today are dropping out of the sky one after another this afternoon. And at this hour, as we check the Viper radar, you'll see that from north of Oklahoma City all the way down to South Oklahoma to the Red River, we have counties under tornado warning. Those are the ones that are flashing in the red boxes there. I have family that live in 3 separate cities right now that are all under tornado warning there in central and in southern Oklahoma that I've been on the phone with here in the last couple of hours. And at least 2 of these tornadoes are very large. My counterparts in Oklahoma City on television are saying visually they're looking like F4s, maybe F5 tornadoes. These are incredible. We can go years and not have an F5 tornado in the whole United States. And this year we've seen, well, how many? 3 in Alabama, 1 of those in Mississippi, and now possibly another one today. All right, let's go down this line and see what's happening here in Texas. Right now, no danger here. This is only North Texas, but there are strong to severe thunderstorms that have developed east of Wichita Falls, west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. They don't look to be tornadic, but they have produced hail as big as tennis balls this afternoon. Now, let's zoom out a little bit and put this in perspective. Here we are down in Austin, so not only is there no danger, there is nothing anywhere close to us right now, at least 180 miles away or so. But there is potential that we could see action develop down this line tonight as a very energetic upper-level storm system is moving out of the Rocky Mountains and colliding with and working in tandem with a very powerful piece of jet stream energy and a very strong flow of rich tropical moisture, a classic setup for large supercells and potential violent tornadoes. And the Storm Prediction Center called it yesterday, said we may need to put a high risk in Oklahoma, and that's what they have done. And guess what? Later on tonight, these storms could head right over toward Joplin, Missouri. But what about us? It is possible that these storms develop down the line, down the dry line, into our hill country a little later on in the evening. Our computer model wants to flare some activity this far south up during the evening hours tonight, then faded away fairly quickly during the overnight period. And then tomorrow, action that we see should be mainly east of us as we get some drier air moving in here. Quick look at our numbers today. We ended up at 95 degrees this afternoon. We could hit 100 tomorrow when we get into that drier air. Right now it's warm and muggy, but skies are partly cloudy. 94 degrees currently, 85 at 8 o'clock, and we'll put in a chance that we could see some storms later tonight, but it is iffy at this moment. Temperatures in the low 90s to the east, low to mid 90s to upper 90s out to the west in the hill country. Again, 94 in Austin right now officially with south to southeasterly winds that are pretty gusty. We had a high level of mold again today and the grass count low. Temperatures around Texas, 101 in San Angelo, 100 in Abilene. Got that collision of warm, moist, and cool, dry air, and that's where the action is today. Lows tonight in the mid-70s. The high temperatures tomorrow, we could, again, get very close to 100 with a dry southwesterly wind coming in behind this little Pacific system. So a chance of a storm tonight. We'll be tracking the southward development of those storms. You stay here with us all night long. We'll keep you informed. We'll start the day cloudy tomorrow, and then we could see some storms develop, I think mainly off to the east of the Austin area. That 94 tomorrow should actually say 99. Wish it was 94. 99 tomorrow, a 94 on Thursday, a 98 on Friday. And the way it looks now, most of Memorial Day weekend should be dry. We say should because you never know on Memorial Day weekend. In fact, it was 30 years ago at about this hour that it started raining in Austin. It was on Memorial Day weekend. It was on a Sunday night. And it rained and it rained and it rained. 11 inches in 4 hours, causing one of the worst flash floods in Austin history, taking 13 lives. Tonight at 6, a special report on Austin's Memorial Day flood of 1981.